let's get started. This is a bin system from Wallmaster. This is how it arrives. This is actually the second time I've purchased one of these because I have found them very useful. I did purchase another system which is very similar. It actually includes more bins than this, so it's a little better value. However, I like how this locks in place. The other one doesn't, so you can easily bump the bin and it would fall over. Of course, if it's on a wall and it doesn't have a bench underneath, it'll go on the floor. So depending on how you value that. For me, obviously, I like them to be secure. So it also comes with mounting hardware, which is just screws and wall anchors. I never use wall anchors. I don't know. They, especially in apartments, they make too much mess when you pull them out of the wall. But don't love the orange color, but other than that, they've worked really, really well. And like I said, they are very secure. So even if you bump them, they don't fall out. I don't believe they come with the little labels, so I had to make those myself. Kind of lame, but that's all right. That's about all there is to say about this product. Again, I've purchased this twice. It works really well for me. And the link is in the description, which is an affiliated link. So if you purchase this bin system, the other one I've linked, or anything else within a few hours of clicking on the link, I get a little percentage. Doesn't cost you anything more. But also, if you would please, if you find this useful and you're enjoying this video, please check out some other videos on this channel. I actually, unfortunately, lost monetization recently, and I kind of need the watch time. And just like, subscribe, and all that if you want, whatever. But thanks for watching. This is actually the second time I've purchased this. This is what it comes. This is what it comes like. Take